purpose, this facility operates a fully automated industrial production line. In this video, we will follow each technical stage step by step.
As you can see, the moment the sensors detect a flaw, the rejection arm immediately removes the defective sheet before it reaches the winder.
As you can see, the substrate is fed automatically from this guide shaft, maintaining perfect tension as it enters the first chamber.
This is the first printing cluster. The paper feeds directly from the guide shaft into this module. As these sheets move through the line, our vision system checks for even the slightest imperfections. As you can see, the rejection was precise. Now let's move on to the recovery and data logging phase of the process. The new Thank you.